Hello dear students, in the continuation of our video lecture series of UPSC previous year question papers, in this video we are going to discuss CSAT 2018 question paper, right? So let's talk about the questions. Let's talk about the first question. The first question says dot, 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot 3 dot 1. The summation of this is giving us 2 1 dot, right? So they are asking what in above sum dot stands for, right? So this is what 3 times dot plus 3 plus 1 4. So 3 times dot plus 4 is giving you dot as units digit, right? So obviously let's talk about the options. Let's take dot as 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 is 6 has to be there, right? So if you are taking dot as 4, then here we are getting at 6. Fine. So this is not possible. Okay, fine. Take dot as 5. So 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. Not correct. Okay. Take dot as 6. So 6 into 3 is 18. 18 plus 4. 18 plus 4 is 22. 22 is 2. No, not possible. So take dot as 8. So 8 plus 8 plus is 24. 24 plus 4 is 8. Fine. All right. So dot stands for 8. Right. So this is like this. Okay, everyone. This is like this. Fine. All right. Shall we move to the next question? Right? Okay. Let's talk about the next question. It's a very simple question, everyone. Right? It's a very simple question. It's based on the options only. Right? Okay. Let's talk about the next one. Next one is consider the following pattern of numbers. Right? Okay. This question is what? This question is simple missing terms, you can say, or number series, or number series, in fact you should say, or you can say missing term, right? This question simply belongs to missing terms, right? Or number series, or you can say it is numbers. In fact you can say it is numbers also, right? So anything that you can consider for this question, it is okay, right? This question belongs to reasoning also. Fine. So anyways, so here we need to find the correct digit in place of this question mark, right? Okay, fine. So here this is 8 plus 4 minus 6. 8 plus 4 minus 6 is 6. 10 plus 6 minus 5 is 11, right? 15 plus 8, 23. 23 minus 7 is 16, right? So 13 plus 8, 21. 21 minus 4 is 17, right? So 17 comes in the place of question mark, right? Here the answer is 17, everyone. Okay. The answer is 17, right? It is again a simple one. Please try to give, 30-40 seconds. If it clicks, then okay. If it doesn't click, then please leave this question, right? And come after some more time, like come after 10 minutes or 20 minutes again to this question. Again give 15-20 seconds, 30 seconds. If it clicks, then it is okay. Otherwise, leave this question. Again after like 30 minutes, please come again to this question. Give 30-40 seconds. If it clicks, then okay. If it doesn't click, then please leave. Right? Okay. But please don't give too much time to this question. Fine, because it is the question which is based on a particular pattern. If it clicks, then it clicks. If it doesn't click, then it doesn't click, right? So please don't waste your time over this question. Fine. Okay. Though it's a simple one. Fine. Now next. How many diagonals can be drawn by joining the vertices of an octagon? Octagon means 8 sides, right? And the formula for number of diagonals. The formula for number of diagonals is n into n minus 3 divided by 2, right? Where n is the number of sides. Okay. This is the formula, n into n minus 3 by 2, where n is the number of sides. Fine. So 8 into 8 minus 3 is 5. So 8 into 5 is 40. 40 by 2 is 20. Right. So we have 20 diagonals in a regular octagon. Fine. Okay, the answer is 20. So this is the formula for number of diagonals, n into n minus 3 divided by 2. Right. Please remember it. This is the formula. Right. Okay. Next. A train 200 meters long is moving at the rate of 40 kilometers per hour. In how many seconds it will cross a man? See everyone, when a train crosses a man, it covers its own length. I repeat, when a train crosses a man, when a train crosses a man, it covers its own length. Right? So it means what? Train crosses 200 meters. In fact, if a train crosses man, it means it is covering 200 meters. Fine, at the rate of 40 kilometers per hour. So time is what? Time is distance upon speed. So distance is what? 200 meters. And speed is what? 40 kilometers per hour. So this is 5 by 18. Right? So I repeat, 200. 40 into 5 is 200 and this is 18, right? So 200 is cancelled. So this is 18 seconds. Right everyone, the answer is 18 seconds. Correct option is D option. Right? So this is the concept. When a train crosses a man, it covers the distance which is equal to its own length. Right? It is important. Fine, this is the assumption. Why? Because the width of the person is actually negligible with respect to that of train. Right? That's why this is an assumption. Fine. Okay. Now let's move. So question says rotated positions of a single solid are given below. Fine. The various faces of solid are marked with different symbols like dots, cross and line. Okay. Answer the 3 items that follow the given figures. Okay, fine. This question contains 3, this question particular contains 3 questions. So it means in the next slide, we are getting the same question again. Fine. Okay. And everyone, this is a kind of dice. Right? Dice has how many faces? 6 faces. Right? So obviously this is a kind of dice and these are the 4 positions of a dice. Right? This is a kind of dice, in fact, not exactly the dice, but it's a kind of dice and 4 positions of dice are given, right? So just check about all the positions. So it has 1 dot, it has 2 dots, it has 3 dots, it has 4 dots, right? It means what? So 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, 4 dot, after that cross, and after that line, right? So these are the 6 faces of the given dot, of the given dice, right? These are the 6 faces of the given dice whose 4 positions are given over here, right? Okay, everyone, adjacent faces can't be opposite to each other, right? Adjacent faces can't be opposite to each other, right? Okay, everyone, adjacent faces can't be opposite to each other, right? Okay, fine. So now maximum occurred face is what? In all the position, maximum occurring face in the given position, which is the maximum occurring phase? The maximum occurring phase is line. I suppose it is like 1, 2 and 3, right? So in 3 positions we are getting line. Okay, fine. So line is the maximum occurring phase, right? So now position number 1. Position number 1 is adjacent to line and 2 is also adjacent to line. So 1 dot can't be opposite to line. 2 dots can't be opposite to line. Okay, there must be dots, right? Dots. So one dot can't be opposite to line, two dots can't be opposite to line. If we talk about position number 2, three dots also can't be opposite to lines. And if we talk about position number 3, 4 dots also can't be opposite to line. Okay, so if 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot and 4 dots are not opposite to line, then what is opposite to line? Then obviously cross is opposite to line. Okay everyone, cross is opposite to line. Okay, right? Now cross is opposite to line. Fine. Now if I talk about two dots, right? Two dots. Okay everyone. So what can't be opposite to two dots? So for position number 1, 1 dot and line can't be opposite to two dots. So if line can't be opposite to two dots, then opposite to line, cross also can't be opposite to two dots, right? First of all, line and cross, they are opposite to each other, so they can't be opposite to some other faces. Fine. So two dots can't be opposite to line and two dots can't be opposite to cross, right? Now from the first position, two dots can't be opposite to one dot. Okay. And from the second position, two dots can't be opposite to three dots. So two dots will be opposite to what? Two dots will be opposite to four dots, right? So two more things are there, right? I mean, two more faces are clear. Now the other two faces will be opposite to each other. So obviously 1 and 3. So one dot will be opposite to three dots, right? Okay. So other two faces will be opposite to each other. So one dot will be opposite to three dots, right? Now all the faces are decoded now, right? Now let's talk about the question. What is the symbol on the face opposite to that containing a single dot, right? So single dot is opposite to three dots, right? Option number B. So for question number 1, option number B is correct, right? Single dot will be opposite to three dots, right? Now let's talk about the next question. The next question, what is the symbol on the face opposite to that containing two dots, right? Two dots is opposite to what? Two dots will be opposite to four dots, right everyone? You can see the previous slide. Two dots is opposite to four dots. Okay, so two dots will be opposite to four dots, right? The answer is four dots. Correct answer is option number C. Again, the next question, what is the symbol on the face opposite to that containing the cross? Obviously, cross is opposite to line, right? I'll show you also. Cross is opposite to line. Okay, so cross is opposite to line. Option number C is correct, right everyone? So hence we decode this type of questions. So this question is a very simple one, right? Four positions are given and adjacent faces can't be opposite to each other. This is a very general thing, I mean, right? There's a very simple thing that anyone can, can guess. Fine. Okay. Now next. Now come to the next question. This question belongs to coding and decoding, right? Okay. So question says Raman is coded as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dinesh is coded as 6, 7, 5, 8, 4, 9. Then Hamam is coded as what? Okay, HAM, AM, right? Fine. So H is coded as 9. Okay, put 9 over here. AM is 2, 3, right? So 2, 3, 2, 3, right? Fine. So this is P. I mean the corresponding digit has been taken as the code, right everyone? Corresponding digit has been taken as the code, right? This is a very simple question, right? the corresponding digit has been taken as the code. That's it, right? Okay, let's talk about the next question. The next question talks about if x is between -3 and -1. Okay, so x lies between -3 and -1. Okay, and y is between -1 and 1. So this is like this. Okay, okay, then x square minus y square is in between which of the following? Fine. So if x lies between -1 to 3, I mean -3 to -1, then x square is lying between 0 to 9, right? Because the square can't be negative, right? And similarly, y square will be lying between 0 to 1, right? So now we need to find the least value of x square minus y square and the greatest value of x square minus y square. So least value of x square minus y square is what? 0 minus 0. Fine. So least value of x square minus y square is 0 from here and 0 from here. So 0 minus 0. So least value of x square minus y square is 0 because both are non-negative values, right? So both are non-negative. So I mean the least value will be 0. Fine. Now let's talk about the maximum value of this. So maximum value of this will be x square is maximum 9 and y square is minimum is 0, right? So from maximum of x square, if we subtract the minimum of y square, then we'll get the maximum value of x square minus y square. So x square minus y square will be 9. This is the max and this is the minimum, right? So x square minus y square will be lying between 0 to 9, right everyone? So maximum value of x square minus y square is 0 and 9. Maximum and minimum value, sorry, right? They are 0 and 9. Okay, this is what this question is. Again the question of numbers, right? You can't categorize this question inside any category. In fact, you can say this question belongs to algebra, or you can say this question belongs to inequality, right? Algebra. But I would say this question belongs to numbers or basic numeracy, right? That's it. Fine. Don't categorize any question. Try to solve that question. That is important, right everyone? Don't categorize the question. Please try to solve the question. That is all. That is important, right? Okay, now let's talk about the other one. X and y are natural numbers other than 1. See everyone, natural number starts from 1. This is again the question of numbers, right? Okay. X and y are the natural numbers other than 1. Natural number starts from 1, right? So obviously if they are other than 1, then they must be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And question says y is greater than x. Okay, fine. So let us assume that x as 4 and y as 5. Okay, which of the following represents the largest number? So if x is 4, y is 5, then xy is what? Xy is 20, right? X by y is 4 by 5. 4 by 5 means 0.8. Y by x is 5 by 4. 5 by 4 is 1.25. Okay, x plus y divided by x by y divided by x into y. So this is 9 by 20. So which one is the maximum? So obviously A option, xy is the maximum, right? This is again a very simple question. Everybody should try this question, right everyone? You must try this question. This is a very simple question, right? This is actually a jackpot for you. This is a platter that UPSC is giving to you, right? You should accept it. Okay, right? All right, now let's talk about the next one. A number consists of 3 digits. This is again a question of numbers, right? This is based on the property of numbers, right? So I'm writing the property difference between a 3-digit number and its reverse is a multiple of 99 and equals 99 mod x minus z if the number is xyz, right? It's a 3-digit number, right? If the number is a 3-digit number xyz, fine. So difference between a 3-digit number and its reverse is a multiple of 99. For example, xyz is a 3-digit number, reverse of it is what? zyx. It is equal to 99 mod x minus z. This is the result, and this question is based on the very similar result, right everyone? Fine. So the question is saying the number consists of, now I'm reading the question. A number consists of three digits of which the middle one is 0 and their sum is 4. Fine. If the number formed by interchanging the first and last digits is greater than the number itself by 198. So obviously what they are saying one number is xyz and another number is zyx. If we are taking the difference of these numbers, the difference is coming out to be 198, right? They actually want to say like this. Again, I'm reading the question for you. If the number formed by interchanging the first and last digit is greater than the number itself by 198, it means what they are trying to say, xyz is being subtracted from zyx. In fact, zyx is being subtracted from xyz, and we are getting the resultant as 198, right? So this is what 99x minus z, which is 198. So 198 will be divided by 99. So this is 2. So x minus z is equal to 2, right? So difference between the first and last digit they are asking, so which is 2, right? The answer is 2. Option number B is correct, right everyone? Fine. This is actually a very simple question, but yes, provided you should be knowing about, you should be aware about the concept. Then only you will be able to solve this question, else you have to leave this question. You won't be able to solve it, right? Alright, because hit and trial will actually waste your time, right? Alright, let's talk about the next one. A solid cube of 3 cm side painted on all the faces, and so this question belongs to cube, right? Reasoning, or you can say mental ability, general mental ability, right? A solid cube of 3 cm side painted on all its faces, it is cut up into small cubes of 1 cm side. It means what? Every side has 3 cuts, right? It means every side has 3 parts, not 3 cuts, has 3 parts, right? Because it will be having 2 cuts. If it is 3 cm, it will be having 2 cuts like this. So first part, second part, and third part. So every side will be having 3 parts, right? Now they're asking the number of small cubes which will have exactly 2 painted faces, right? Small cubes that have exactly 2 face painted is equal to 12 into n minus 2, right? So here n is what? N is number of parts. So this is 12, 3 minus 2, so which is 12 into 1. So the answer is 12, right? The answer is 12 cubes will have exactly 2 face painted, right everyone? The answer is 12. Okay. Next question talks about while writing all the numbers. This question again belongs to number system, right? Okay. Question says While writing all the numbers from 700 to 1000, how many numbers occur in which the digit at hundreds place is greater than the digit at tens place, and the digit in tens place is greater than the digit in units place? Okay, fine. See everyone, 7, right? Okay. So this is, let's start with 0. So 710, 720, 730, 740, 750, 760, right? Now let's talk about the 1. So 721, 731, 741, 751, 761, right? Now let's talk about 2. So 732, 742, 752, 762, right? Now let's talk about 3. So 743, 753 and 763. Let's talk about 4. So 754, 764, and let's talk about 5. So 765. Okay everyone, so in 7 now we are done. Fine. So how many numbers are they? They are actually 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, and then 1, right? So if you add them, then they will become summation 6. Or you can say summation 6 is what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, which is 21. Right? Clear? So this is for 700 to 800. Right? Now let's talk about 800 to 900. Right? Now it is simple to calculate this. Let's talk about 8. So this is 8 and this is 0. Right? So in the middle place, this place. So this place can be filled with 8 choices. Sorry, this place can be filled with 7 choices. Any number from 1 to 7 can come to this place. Right? Okay. Now let's talk about 1. So any number 2 to 7 can come to this place. Right? Now let's talk about 2. So any number 3 to 7 can come to this place, right? So here we have 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, right? So here we have 28 numbers, right? And similarly, if we talk about 9, so 9, 0, so this can be anything from 1 to 8, right? Okay, so in the similar fashion, this will be 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, so which is 36, right? So now they're asking the total numbers, right? So we need to add all of them. So total number is 21 plus 28 plus 36. This is what? This is 85. Right everyone? The answer is 85. Right? This is a very good question. Right? This is actually a good question. Right? But yes, you should be having the idea of numbers. You should be having the idea of counting numbers. Right? If you don't know how to count numbers or how to make cases, this question will become time-consuming question for you, right? So please, this question demands practice actually, and this question demands a little bit prior knowledge also, right? So that's why actually this is the question paper of CSAT 2018, right? And in CSAT 2018, I know so many good students who could not qualify CSAT 2018. I mean, who could not even get 33% marks in this paper, right? So this was not that easy question paper, right everyone? Now I should say CSAT, UPSC people, they themselves, actually UPSC themselves want you to prepare for CSAT. That's why they are actually setting these type of question papers, right? So friends, don't ignore CSAT, because CSAT can make or can break your career actually. I know so many good students who scored in 2018, who scored like around 115, 120 plus in GS, but they could not qualify even, they could not get even 60 marks in this CSAT question paper, right? I don't want to tell the name of the students, but they are very good students. And yeah, obviously next year they did well in the CSAT, but yes, in 2018 they could not even qualify, right? So please everyone, don't ignore CSAT, right? Now let's talk about the next question. Pen is less than pencil. Okay, fine. So let's talk about this. I always draw buildings like this. This is pencil, right? And this is pen. Okay, pencil is less than book. Okay, so book is greater than pencil. Book is greater than cap. Okay, fine. Book is greater than cap. So cap can come anywhere, but the height of cap is not known. Height of cap is less than book, that is for sure. But with respect to pencil and pen, what will be the height of cap? We never know, right? I repeat, cap will be certainly less than book, but what will be the height of cap with respect to pencil and pen? We don't know, right? Anyways, then which of the following statement is always true? Always true, friends, always true. If the question is saying always true, then obviously the statements in which cap is involved, we can't say anything about it, right? Fine. So pen is greater than cap, don't know. Pencil is equal to cap, don't know, right? Pencil is greater than cap, don't know. Pen is less than book, that is for sure. Yeah, pen is always true, right? Option B is always true, right? That is for sure 100% correct, right everyone? Fine, you are getting it. It's a very simple question of reasoning, right? I don't know which topic it is, but it is actually a very simple question of reasoning, right? Okay, let's talk about the next question. This question belongs to algebra, right? The question is saying a bookseller sold a number of geography textbooks at the rate of X per book, and a plus 2 number of history textbooks at the rate of X plus 2 per book, and a minus 2 number of mathematics textbooks at the rate of X minus 2 per books. What is his total sale in rupees? Okay, fine. So obviously it's a very simple one. So revenue from, sale from geography textbook is what? A into X, right? Because A books and at the rate of X per book plus A plus 2 into X plus 2. Okay, plus A minus 2 into X minus 2. That's it. This is the total sale, right? Now please calculate it. It is AX plus 2A plus 2X plus 4 plus AX minus 2A minus 2X plus 4, right everyone? So anything that can be cancelled, which will, like, it will be cancelled. So 2A is cancelled with 2A, 2X is cancelled with 2X, right? Now AX will be added, so this becomes 3AX. Now 4 plus 4, this is 8, right? So the answer is 3AX plus 8. Option number B is correct, right? Okay, let's move to another one. Let's talk about the next question. Question is, what are the chances of his winning? This question belongs to probability, right? This question belongs to probability. Okay, right. All right, so question says a bag contains 15 red balls, 20 black balls. Okay, bag contains 15 red and 20 black balls. Each ball is numbered 1, 2 or 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, right? Okay, so 20% of the red balls are numbered 1. 20% means 3 red balls are numbered 1. Okay, 40% of them are numbered 3. 40%, it means 3 red balls are numbered 3. So 6 are number 3, so 6 are left with number 2. Fine. Okay, so now what about black balls? Similarly, among black balls, 45% are number 2, so 45 means 9. 9 black balls are number 2, right? This is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 30% are number 3, so 30% means 6 black balls. So obviously 5 black balls are numbered 1. Okay, fine. So this is like this. Okay, a boy picks a ball at random if he wins if the ball is red. So total, first of all, talk about the sample space. What is the sample space over here? The sample space over here is 20 plus 15, right? The sample space is 35, right? The sample space is 35. Okay, so 35 will come to the denominator, right? Now, he wins if the ball is red and the number 3. If the ball is red and numbered 3, so these are 6 balls, right? Or means plus. If it is black, the numbered 1 or 2. So black numbered 1 or 2. So 9 plus 5, and total is 35, right? So 6, 9, 15, 15 plus 5, 20. So 20 by 35. So from 5, both the numbers can be cancelled out. So 5 4s are 20, 5 7s are 35. The answer is 4 by 7, right? The correct answer is B. Okay, everyone. B option is the correct one. See, this is the question of probability. If you want to solve it, if you have the background of probability, if you have studied probability earlier, then you can solve this question. Or if you don't studied probability earlier, you can leave this question, right? This one question does not make any difference, right? If you know it, then solve this. If you don't know, then please leave it, right? Not a problem. All right. Now let's talk about the next question. Two persons A, B are running on a circular track. At the start, B is ahead of A and their positions make an angle of 30 degrees at the center of the circle. See everyone, this is a semicircle and this is, let's say, the center. This is the center, right? This is the center and this is, let's say, A and this is B, and the positions of A and B. Positions of A and B are making an angle 30 degrees at the center of the circle, right? So this is the question. Fine, everyone. Okay, let me tell you one thing very frankly. This is the straight line, right? So the straight line is what? The angle is 180 degrees, right? So 30 degrees, this one part is of 30 degrees. So this 30 degree, like we can have this 6 30 degrees in this entire semicircular part, right? So like this, and like this. Fine. So first part, second part, third part, fourth part, fifth part, and then sixth part, right? So the entire semicircle can be divided into 6 parts of 30 degrees each, right? Okay, so this is the position of A and B, like this is the initial positions of A and B is given, right? Now the question is saying when A reaches to the point diametrically opposite to his starting point, this is the starting point of A reaches to a point which is diametrically opposite to his starting point. So this point, right? When A reaches to this point, right, he meets B. So it means what? When A reaches to this, let's say this point is M. So when A reaches to M from the initial position of A, which is this, B also reaches to point M from his initial position, right? Then obviously if we talk about these parts, A is covering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts, and in the same time B is covering 5 parts, right? Because A and B are taking same time to reach to point B, reach to point M, but they are from their respective positions, they are actually reaching to point M, right? So A is covering actually 6 parts, and in the same time B is covering actually 5 parts only. So ratio of their speeds is what? 6:5, right? So the answer is 6:5. The ratio of their speed is 6:5, right? Friends, it is actually a very simple question. It is based on geometry and based on geometry only, actually I can say. But yes, you can say that this question belongs to time, speed and distance because they are saying about the speed, about something. But I should say this question is of geometry question, right? This question belongs to geometry section, I will say. Okay, right? It's a very simple question. Fine, you should be having the idea of geometry, simple geometry. You are able to solve this question, right? Now let's talk about the next one. A student has to get 40% marks to pass in an examination, right? Okay, 40% is the passing marks. Suppose he gets 30 marks and fails by 30 marks. See everyone, if he gets 30 marks and he fails by 30 marks, it means he should score 30 more marks, right? It means he should score 60 marks to pass. He should score 60 marks to pass, right? Or you can say passing marks are 60, right? Can say passing marks are 60. Fine. So question is saying, initially the question is saying a student has to get 40% marks to pass. So 40% is the passing marks and here 60 is the passing marks. So 40% is equal to 60. Then 100% is equal to what? Then 60 by 40 into 100. This is the answer. So the answer is what? The answer is 150. So 100% marks or maximum marks are 150 in the question, right everyone? The maximum marks are 150 in the question, right? In the question paper or in the examination, right? Okay everyone, the answer is maximum marks of the question paper is 150. Clear? It's a very simple question actually, friends. Fine. Okay, come to the next question. Question is saying 19 boys turn out for playing hockey. Okay, of these 11 are wearing hockey shirts and 14 are wearing hockey pants. Okay, there are no boys without shirt or pant and pant. What is the number of boys wearing full uniform? Okay, so 11 plus 14. So 11 plus 14 is what? 25, right? So total number of students are how many? 19. So 25 minus 19 is 6. So 6 students are wearing both the things, I mean shirts as well as pants. It means the complete uniform, right? So 6 students are wearing complete uniform, shirt as well as pant also. Fine. This is the answer, right? This question belongs to the topic Venn diagram, right? This question belongs to the topic Venn diagram, right? So I can also solve it for you if you want with the Venn diagram. So Venn diagram talks about like this and like this. So this is shirt and this is pant, right? Pants, in fact. Okay, fine. So 6 is the intersection area, right? And shirt is what? 11. So 5. So in the oval of shirt, total 11 entries are there. So 6 plus 5, right? And in the oval of pant, the total entries must be 14. So this is 9. So 6 plus 9, right? So only shirt, 5 candidates are wearing only shirts, and 9 candidates are wearing only pants, and 6 candidates are wearing pants as well as shirts. So this is the complete uniform area, right? So this is the complete uniform area, right? This is the answer. All right, everyone, fine? Getting it? It's a very simple one, right? A very simple question. Fine. Now let's move to another one. A shopkeeper sells an article at 40 rupees and gets X% profit. Okay. However, when he sells it at 20 rupees, he faces the same percentage of loss. All right. What is the original cost of the article? Okay, everyone. See, this is 40. When he is selling the article at 40, he gets some profit. And when he sells the article at 20, he faces the same loss. It means what? It means the CP is what? CP is the average of 20 and 40. Let me show you how. So average of 20 and 40 is what? 30, right? So this is 30 and this is 40, right? Why I'm saying it is average? Because it is equidistant from both the numbers, right? 30 is the cost of the article, right? So this number is equidistant. 30 is equidistant from 40 and 20, right? So when the article is being sold at rupees 40, so profit of 10 rupee, right? And when the article is sold for rupees 20, there is a loss of 10 rupee, right? So obviously the cost of the article is rupees 30. Clear? Fine. Okay. Because 30 is equidistant from both the numbers 20 and 40, right? So obviously the equidistant number from the two numbers is what? That will be the average of the two numbers, or you can say arithmetic mean of the two number, right? So the answer is 30, right? Everybody fine? The answer is 30. Clear? Okay. Let's move to another one. Okay. Consider the sequence given below. What is the next term of the series? See, everyone, consider the sequence given below. This question does not belong to sequence in series or anything. This question is of calendar, right? Why? Because see the numbers carefully. These are actually dates. These are not series. These are not numbers, right? This is 4/12/1995, 4th December 1995. This is 1st January 1996. This is 29th January 1996. This is 26th January 1996, right? So now everybody, this is 4th December 1995. This is 1st January 1996. This is 29th January 1996. This is 26th February 1996. So the next term would be what, right? See, here the difference is of 28 days, right? Here also the difference is of 28 days, right? Here also the difference is of 28 days, right? Okay. Or you can say 28th day is written, right? So 28th day, right? So this is what? This is actually leap year. Sorry. This is leap year, right? So 27th, 28th, 29th. So 3 days here plus 25 more days in March. So 25th of March is the answer. 25th March 1996 is the answer, right? B option is the correct one, right? 26th March 1996. See, everyone, this is the level of the questions, right? And in the last question also, this question, you know, seems like profit and loss question, but this question belongs to average. Let me tell you, right? You can say this question belongs to profit and loss, but this question belongs to the topic average, right, everyone? Okay. Or you can say average or profit and loss, right? Both you can say. This is interdisciplinary kind of question, right? Okay. This question belongs to calendar, right? Okay. Now next. 12 equal squares are placed to fit in at rectangle of diagonal 5. See everyone, rectangle means every angle is of 90 degree, right? So diagonal 5. So obviously this is 4, this is 3 and this is 5, right? So this is what? This is a right angled triangle whose hypotenuse is 5, right? And then rectangle we need to complete, then obviously 3 here and 4 here. This is the rectangle, right? Okay, so this is the rectangle, fine. That's it. Now there are 3 rows containing 4 squares each. Obviously there are 3 rows containing 4 squares of each. Okay. So this is row number 1, this is row number 2, and this is row number 3 containing 4 squares each. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 squares each, right? So there are 3 rows containing 4 squares each. Fine. No gaps left between adjacent squares. What is the area of each square? Area of each square is what? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 actually. So this is 1 centimeter square, right? The answer is 1 square centimeter. Okay everyone, this is a very simple question, provided you should be aware of a little bit geometry, right? This question belongs to geometry, right? A bit idea of geometry is also required while solving these questions of CSAT, right? It's a very simple question, but yes, a little bit knowledge of geometry is required, right? Okay. Now, for a sports meet, a winner's stand comprising 3 wooden blocks is in the following form. There are 6 different colors available to choose from. Each of the 3 wooden blocks is to be painted such that no 2 of them has the same color. How many different ways the winner's stand be painted? Okay, fine. The winner's stand. See, this question belongs to permutation and combination. This question belongs to permutation and combination, right? So this can be painted in 6. I mean, for painting this block, we have 6 choices. Now here we have 5 choices because now we can't use the same block, same color again. So here we have 4 choices, right? So the answer is 6 into 5 into 4. This is 120, right? This is a very simple question actually, right? This is a very simple question. If you know the concept, you won't be finding any difficulty in this question. Else, this question is actually a tough question for you, right? All right. So now let's talk about the next one. See everyone, let's talk about this question. This question belongs to missing terms or missing figures, whatever you want to say, missing terms or figures, right? Okay, here this is question mark, right? Okay, fine. And please ignore these lines. These lines are not there in the actual question. Please ignore these lines, right? Okay, here the tip of every diagram will give you the clue. This tip, this tip of every diagram will give you the clue. This is, right? Okay, so here this is dot, this is circular, square, black square, right? And this is triangle. Okay, now the black square came forward, right? This is 1, 2, 3, third position. So second one is coming to first, then third one is coming to second, and then first one is going to third, right? This cycle, right? For the second row, right? This is row number 1, this is row number 2, and row number 3. Then obviously this triangle one will be coming to the first position, and then dot is coming to second position, and then square, right? This square will be going to third position. Fine. So now please check the options. Only one option is having the square as an option. So just this is the correct answer. That's it. Please. Right everyone? This is the correct answer. That's it. I won't check the further options. This is the correct option. That's it. Right? Okay. How simple the question is, right? Just by seeing the figures, you will get the answer, right? I have that much confidence that I don't want to check the other options also. This is correct means correct. That's it. right? Okay, now let's talk about the next question. Next question, again, missing terms or missing figures, you can say, right? Missing figures. Reasoning one, right? Now, here the square is here the square is here, the square is here, then here. So the square is moving clockwise direction. Square is moving clockwise direction. And the triangle is here, then here, then here, then here. So triangle is moving anti-clockwise direction. That's it, right? So figure number 6 is this, right? So square will be moving clockwise direction. Square will be, just wait, square will be here in this figure, right? And this will be here. That's it, right? That's it. This is the answer. Okay, B choice. Okay, everyone, B choice. Okay, right. Square is moving clockwise direction and triangle is moving in anti-clockwise direction, right? This is again very simple question, right? Very simple. Okay, and you all are that much observant. You can solve it question very easily, right? Please don't bother about all these questions. Fine. Okay, so everyone, I always tell you, CSAT is like having around equal weightage of all the sections from last 3-4 years, right? Equal weightage of reasoning, comprehension, and maths, right? So you may choose your strong areas, your 2 strong areas, or you may get through the CSAT. CSAT is actually very easy paper, right? So if you are, if you just give 15-20 minutes of every day of your preparation, you will be cracking CSAT, because it is not a scoring, it is only qualifying, right? Okay, all right. So everyone, solution of 2020 question paper will be available on 4th of October to our website or to our YouTube channel also, right? So stay tuned for more updates, right? So this topic is over. This video is over. So thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Thank you.